Hello children, I am Anand Joshi, SM Mathematics, working at ZPHS Koltur, MC Palli Mandal. Today I am going to teach you the 6th class maths first chapter, Knowing Our Numbers. We have already learned in our previous classes about the numbers, the comparison of numbers, writing the numbers in ascending and descending orders, their place values, and so on. Also, the basic operations like addition, subtraction on the numbers also we have done. We have actually we have done about the 4-digit numbers or 5-digit numbers till there. So the larger numbers above 5-digit numbers or 6-digit numbers we are going to learn in this chapter about their comparison or writing in the ascending descending order or the problems based on them. Okay, the first topic about the estimating and comparing numbers. So what is comparing of the numbers is we first find the number of digits in each number, each of the given numbers. How many digits are there? Here in this, there are 3 digits. There in this, 4 digits, 5 digits, and 2 digits. So when we want to compare, means we are finding the greatest and the smallest number from these given numbers. So the numbers which have highest number of digits when compared to others, that is the highest biggest number or the greatest number. Now in this there are 5 digits, so therefore the greatest number is how much? It is 35851, and the number with lowest number of digits, so 2 digits are there, so that is the smallest number. It is how much? 23. Okay, another example I have taken. There are two numbers and find which is greater among these two. Okay, so how do we compare? We compare first with the number of digits present in each number. There are 5 digits in each number, so we go to the place values. Now this is 10,000's place. In 10,000's place, both have 5, and we compare to the next place, that is thousands place. It is 8 here and this is 7. So which is greater? 8 is greater. Therefore, this number is bigger than this number. So we write this as 58672 is greater than 57875. This symbol denotes greater than. Okay. And another symbol, this is what? Used to represent less than. The same thing this we can write using this symbol, that is 57875 is smaller than 58672. So you must know the symbols usage whenever we require. Okay. Now the first question of exercise 1.1 is write the greatest and the smallest among the group of numbers. There are 4 numbers given, and among them we have to find the greatest and the smallest one. So similarly, what we had done earlier, we have to compare the number of digits in each number. In all these 4 numbers, we have 5 digits. See, all contain 5 digits, so therefore we have to compare their place values. Now this digit is in 10,000's place. In 10,000's place it is 1 1 1 and also 1 here. So when we go to thousands place, it is 5 in each number, isn't it? Now we have to compare the hundreds place now in each number. Now in this number is 4, this is 8, 3 and 5. So here 8 is bigger than 4, 3, 5. So that is what? Greatest number. Greatest number of the given numbers is equal to how much? Is what? 15892, 15,892. And the smallest one is what? So see, compare these two, these three now. In hundreds place it is 4 here, 3 here and 5 here. So in these three, 3 is smaller. Therefore, this number 15370 is the smallest number. Now the next question is write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means writing the smaller number to the greatest number. So among these four numbers, which is the smallest one is to be written first. Now see here in all these four, it has 3 digits and all the remaining have 4 digits. So therefore, first we write 375 as the smallest of the given four numbers. Now comparing these three numbers, so in thousands place, it is 1, 1 and 4 here. Therefore, these two are smaller than 4713. Therefore, we have to compare these two numbers now again. Now, in these two, the hundreds place has no. This is 5-digit number, isn't it? When this is 5-digit number, we compare these two numbers. It is 1475 and 4713, and which is smaller? This is smaller because in thousands place it is 1 and here it is 4. Therefore, we write 1475 and this is 4713 and the remaining 15,951 is the greatest number. This is what the ascending order of the given numbers. Now, the third question is write the numbers in descending order. Now, descending order means the greatest number to the smallest one. And uh, among, see, all, no, here this number has 4 digits, 5 digits, also 5, and here also 5. Therefore, this is the smallest one. Now, descending order, in short, I wrote, I'm writing DO, and which is the greatest among these three, because this is smallest, no, which is greatest. Now, this is 10,000s place, this is thousands place. So 89, here also 89, isn't it? Now going to hundreds place, it is 7 here, it is 2 here. So therefore, this is the greatest among these two. No? And because it is 4 here, it is less than these two. Therefore, what I write is first 89,715. The next greatest number is 89,254. And next, which is greater? 45321, and the smallest one is 1876. This is what the descending order of the given numbers. Then the fourth question is put appropriate symbol less than or greater than in the space given. So we have to compare the given numbers and put the symbol. Now here there are 4 digits and here there are 5 digits. So therefore naturally this is less than uh, 15,200. 3,854 is less than 15,200. We have to put this symbol, that is less than symbol, isn't it? And what about this one? The second one, it is having 4 digits, and this number also has 4 digits. So which is greater? Is this the greater or this is the greater? It is next hundreds place. It is 8. Both are having 8, and in tens place it is 9 and here it is 6. Therefore, this is greater and this is smaller. So because this is greater, we use greater than symbol, that is greater than. Okay. Now the next question is write the numbers in words. These you have already learnt in your earlier classes how to write the numbers in words. First read the number. It is what this is in ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Therefore, this is read as 72,642. Yes, the same we write in words, that is 72,642. Okay, next. Another one. This is see. This also it has 5 digits. Therefore, it is 66,600. Written 66,600 in words. Okay. Now the question is write the numbers in figures. So figures means we should know the place values. Places, that is 40,270 means there is no number in ones place, and in tens place it is 70 means it is in tens place, and 200, so to next 40,000. So in tens place it should be 4, and in thousands place it should be 0. So this is 40,270. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So this is 40,270. The same way you have to write the 9,700. How do you write? So 9 in thousands place, then hundreds place is 7. In tens place there is no number mentioned, so therefore 0, and in ones place also 0. Okay. Now the next question is, form 4-digit numbers with the digits 4037. Using these 4 digits, we have to form 4-digit numbers as many as possible, and we have to find the greatest and the smallest among the numbers what we write. Okay, so the numbers, the digits 4037. On these 4, which is the smallest one? 0 is the smaller digit, isn't it? Smallest one, but we don't write beginning with 0. Therefore, the next digit, the smallest one, is 3. We write the numbers with starting with 3. Now 3, 0, 3047 we can write, isn't it? 3047, 3074, by only interchanging these two, keeping 0 as it is. Okay, and can we write few more? Yes, we can. See how 3 4 3407, one number, 3470, and like that 3704, 3740, isn't it? So how many are there? There are 6 numbers starting with 3. Okay. Similarly, you try to write starting with 4 and 7. Now, see, I've written the 6 numbers starting with 4 and another 6 numbers starting with 7. Now, find out which is the greatest and the smallest one. Because these numbers are starting beginning with 3, so the smallest number will get from this column of numbers, and the greatest one, because 7 is the greatest, biggest among 3 and 4, therefore the biggest number you will get in this column. Okay, so find the greatest one. So greatest one means, here see, the thousands place 7 is there, in hundreds place 0 0 3 3 4 4. Now among these two, in tens place it is 3 and here it is 0, therefore this is what the greatest number. And the smallest number from this row, from this column, so see, uh, 3 0 4 7, and in hundreds place 0 uh, 4s and 7. So the smaller one is 0 than 4 and 7. Therefore, compare these two, 3047 and 3074. Which is the smaller one? 3047 is smaller. Therefore, 3047 is the smallest among the given numbers, and 7430 is the greatest number. That we write, greatest number is equal to, is 7430, and smallest number is what? 3047. Understood? Now the question is, write the smallest 4-digit number. You know, the digits start from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the numbers we write from 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and when we add next number after 9 is 10, and 10 11 12 till 99. After 99 we'll get 100. See, what we are observing is, when we add the 1 to this, the greatest single digit number, we get smallest 2-digit number. This is the smaller smallest of all the two-digit numbers, and the greatest two-digit number is 99. When we add 1 to this two-digit number, we'll get 100, and it is least three-digit number, and the greatest three-digit number is 999. And when we add 1 to that, we'll get 1000, isn't it? So this becomes the least four-digit number, and this is what? 9999. When we add 1 to this, we get 10,000. This is least five-digit number, and this is what? 99,999. This is greatest five-digit number. If I add 1 to this, what I get? 10000. It is what? 1 lakh, isn't it? And when we see the uh, six-digit greatest number is 999999. Okay, so it is 9,99,999. In the same way, we can write further uh, um, the greatest seven-digit number, so eight-digit number, nine-digit number, like that. Now we are required to find the smallest four-digit number. Asked to write this four-digit number, the smallest one. So the smallest four-digit number is 1000. That we write here. Okay. Now the next question is the greatest four-digit number. So the least is 1000, the greatest is 9999, isn't it? So that we write here. Okay. Now the third question is write the smallest five-digit number. Which is the smallest or the least five-digit number? This 10,000, isn't it? So that we write the smallest five-digit number. Now the greatest five-digit number. Greatest five-digit number means all nines. See, all in all the greatest numbers means they're all nines only, and in the least numbers, one with following with zero. So the greatest five-digit number is 99,999. Okay. The next topic is estimation and rounding of numbers. Suppose in our daily life we come across many situations that, for example, one day Salajing Museum was the visitors number of visitors were suppose 12,000. 12,000 approximately means what, the number of persons or the people visited were around 12,000, means it can be like 11,900 or 12,100. It is, this is called round figure. So round figure of 11,900 or 12,100. Okay, so this is what rounding of the numbers. Another example, suppose the SSC exam, the number of candidates who appeared for SSC exams were 9 lakhs, or yes, 9 lakhs, suppose 9 lakhs approximately. Means what? It can be less than 9 or just more than 9. Okay, so that for our convenience we round off to the next place. This is called rounding of numbers. We can round off the numbers to tens place, to hundreds or thousands. Let us see how. Now, the revision of place value. Place value, you know, already we have learnt in the previous classes, isn't it? Now, take one number that is 69, suppose. This can be written as 6 is in tens place, isn't it? 6 into 10, and 9 is in ones place, 9 into 1. So this is what 6 into 10 is 60 and 9 into 1 is 9. And this number is written now in the expanded form, and this is known as short form and this is known as expanded form. Another example, I'll take 29,500. Okay, 29,500 can be written as 2 is in tens place, 10,000 place, so therefore 2 into 10,000, okay, plus 9 is in thousands place, so 9 into 1000, plus 5 is in hundreds place, so therefore 5 into 100, plus 0 is in tens place and 0 is in ones place. That you need not write, isn't it? 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. That is equal to 2 into 10,000 is 20,000, plus 9 into 1000 is 9,000, and 5 into 100 is 500. This is the expansion form of 29,500. Is that clear? Note down. Now let us start exercise 1.2. Just now we have come across this. Round up the following numbers to the nearest tens. So how do we write this one? Yes, 415 is in tens place is 1, isn't it? So it is just more than 410. So I write 410, 420, 430 like that. So 415 lies here, and 410, after 410, 411, 412, 413, like 415, it is 420, isn't it? Now this 415 lies between 410 and 420, and 415 should be rounded to which number, 410 or 420? 415, the difference between 410 and 415 is 5, and 420 and 415 is 5. Both, so 415 is in the middle. Therefore, as said earlier, that the 415 is rounded to 420 because it is on the right side of the given number. Okay. Now, the second question, round up the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. In that I have taken the second problem, second number. It is 36,152. Nearest hundred means here in hundred space it is 1, isn't it? So it is more than 100. This number is more than 100. So therefore, what I write is 36,100 and 36,152 is in between 100, and next 100 is 36,200. Now, which is nearer to 36,152? 36,100 or 36,200? Find out. The difference between these two is 152 and this is 100. No, the difference is 52. And what about this? The difference between 200 and 152. 200 and 152 means it is 48. So which is nearer to 36152? This one or this one? It is this one, isn't it? It is 48. Therefore, 36152 is rounded to 36,200. Okay. See now, the third question is we have to round off the number to its nearest thousands. Now, in thousands place it is 0 here, isn't it? So this is what 70,124 means what? It lies, this number lies between 70,000 and next thousand, if you add, it will be 71,000, isn't it? 70,124, and this will be 71,000. So, which is nearer to 70,124? 70,000 or 71,000? Find out. By subtracting these two, finding the difference between these two, you get 124. This is 70,124 minus 70,000 is 124, and this is 71,000, and This is 70,124. Therefore, the difference is large in this and the difference is less. See, the difference is how much, isn't it? So this is very large. Therefore, 70124 is very far away from 71,000. Therefore, this 70,124 is rounded to 70,000, not to 71,000. Okay. Now the next question is write the numbers in short form. So this is given in expansion form. So this we have to write in short form. How do we write? See, this 3 is in 10,000's place. Therefore, this I can write as 3 into 10,000, isn't it? Plus, after 10,000, the next place will be, on the right side will be thousands place. There is no thousand place value number. Therefore, we put 0 into 1000 plus next is hundreds place, it is 500, therefore it is 5 into 100. And next is tens place, it is 2 into 10, and this one is in ones place, it is 5 into 1. How do we write in short form? See, so this is 10,000's place 3 and in thousands place is 0. There is no digit, isn't it? Therefore, we put 0. And in hundreds place it is 5 and in tens place is 2 and in ones place is 5. Okay, this is the short form of the given expansion form. Now, the fifth question is write the expanded form of the given numbers. I have taken the second one in that it is 30,214. How do we write in expanded form? See, 3 is in 10,000's place, isn't it? So 3 into 10,000 plus 0 is in 1000 place and 2 is in hundreds place. So 2 into 100 plus 1 is in tens place, so 1 into 10 plus 4 is in ones place. So this we write as 3 into 10,000 means 30,000 plus 0 into 1000 is 0, no need to write, plus next one is 2 into 100 is 200 plus 1 into 10 is 10 plus 4 into 1 is 4. This is the expansion form of the given number 30,214. And the remaining problems from exercise 1.1 and 1.2 you try for yourself. Okay, thank you.